One important mindset shift, and one that is happening rapidly, is that ChatGPT has expanded well beyond being a simple text chatbot. It can now see images, read documents, and analyze complex data. First, let's talk about vision. You can give ChatGPT images, and it will actually view and understand them. For example, you could upload a photo of a whiteboard from a meeting, and it can transcribe the notes for you. Or you could show it a photo of a complicated chart and ask it to explain the trends. Or even give it a screenshot of a table and ask it to convert it into an Excel file. So if you have something visual, there's no need to describe it in text. Just directly upload it. ChatGPT can also read Word files, PDFs, presentations, and various other document types. And its understanding goes beyond just extracting words. It can interpret the layout and even the diagrams and charts inside the document. So you could upload a 200-page report and ask it for a summary. Share a research paper with it and ask it to explain the methodology in simple terms. Or give it a PowerPoint presentation and ask it to fact-check it and do research on it. So next time you have information in a file, there's no need to copy and paste, just upload it directly. Finally, let's talk about spreadsheets and data. When you upload a spreadsheet, like an Excel or a CSV file, ChatGPT behaves differently than it does with a Word doc. It doesn't just read the file. It actually writes and runs code to analyze the data. This is a really important distinction. Because it uses code, it can perform accurate calculations and handle large data sets that would normally confuse a text-based AI. This enables you to ask questions in plain English to your data. You could upload a sales spreadsheet and ask which region had the highest growth last quarter. You can say, show me a chart of monthly revenue trends versus costs. Or ask, are there any anomalies or outliers in this data that I should be worried about? ChatGPT will run those numbers and give you an answer. It can even generate charts that you can download and put straight into a presentation. It effectively turns ChatGPT into a conversational data analyst. You don't need to know complex Excel formulas or Python code. You just describe what you want to know. In practice, if you're currently copying text out of documents to paste into ChatGPT, or struggling to describe an image in text, or manually pulling numbers from spreadsheets, you can skip all of that by using the file input. Here's a challenge. Think of something you would normally describe to ChatGPT. A chart you'd summarize, a document you'd copy text from, or a photo you'd explain in words. Instead, just upload it and ask a question about it directly. Most people are surprised by how well this works. It's one of those features that's easier to believe once you've seen it for yourself.